Good morning, students. Do you remember what we had started in previous classes? We had started chapter 3, leaf. Now, it is time to rewind the concept that we had got in our previous classes. This is our third class. In previous two classes, what we had discussed? We had discussed about the leaf, its main role and some of the uses. What is leaf? Leaf is the green flat part which is attached to the branches of the tree or plant. The main role of the leaf is to prepare food for its own plant. But this leaf also plays some of the important function in our daily life which we had read under the subtopic uses of leaf. Did you remember how many uses we have read in the previous classes? In previous class, we have read about 6 different types of uses of different leaves in our daily life. First of all, now read with me in a loud manner, means loud reading word by word. Now take out your science book and read with me. Uses of a leaf. We have already discussed some of the uses. Plant leaves play an important role in our daily life. I am not talking about the plant. For plant, leaves prepare food. But what the leaf does in our daily life? We put them to many uses. Number 1, what we had discussed? In olden days, people used to write on some types of leaves. Now you can see in the picture, there is a saint and saint is using a feather as the pen and he is writing on a broad flat leaf. The leaf is used here as paper on which the saint is writing the script. It was one of the main use of the olden days. Number 2, what we had discussed? In southern parts of India, banana leaves are often used as plates for eating food. Now see in the picture, the man is eating food. And there is no plate, no steel plate, no any crockery set is there. But you can see there is a banana leaf on which the another man is serving food. And the first man, the previous man, he is eating. Clear? What is the meaning of southern part of India? Have you ever noticed the map of our country India? The lower portion which is pointed one, the lower portion which is the pointed one, that part is considered as southern part. There are some states where still the people are in a habit of eating food on the banana plates. Now due to advanced and developed nature of a human beings, we have been shifted our food habit as well as the utensils. But still there are some villages in our state also where the people are still using the banana plates for eating food. Even I have also experienced during my childhood days when I used to go to my village in Champaran district. There I had eaten my food on the banana plates. This is the use and throw plate. Use it once and throw it in the dustbin. Next, number 3. People often use tulsi leaves while making tea, especially during the winter season. When we suffer from cough or cold or any breathing problem, you must have seen your mama is giving you tea which is made up of tea leaves, sugar, milk, and sometimes she used to boil the tea leaves in the preparation. She used to boil the tulsi leaves in the tea. Clear? So, it helps to cure cough and cold. People in India generally grow a tulsi plant in their courtyard. What is the meaning of courtyard? What we call it in Hindi? In Hindi, it is known as Angan. In Hindu's family, you must have seen there is a tulsi plant which you will find in every Hindu's family's house. Okay, and it is worshipped in that house. Clear? It has sacred value also. Then neem leaves. Next one is the how many? First one olden one, second southern, third about the neem leaf, tulsi leaves. The fourth one is the neem leaves. Neem leaves help to protect clothes and other items from insects. Neem leaves are used to protect the clothes from insects, especially the woolen clothes and the clothes made up of silk. When you keep these neem leaves, dried neem leaves in your wardrobe, your clothes will not be affected by the insects. Leaves of neem and basil. Now remember one thing. The tulsi, it is the Hindi name. Tulsi is known as basil in English. So, both are single plant. Basil in English, tulsi in Hindi. Basil are also used for medicinal purposes. What is the meaning of medicinal purposes? Means the things which cure our problems, which is good for our health, which help us to treat our any problem is known as medicinal purposes. Next, leaves of some plants are used to make food look nice and attractive. You must have seen your mother garnishing food with coriander. In Hindi it is known as dhania, mint, pudina and curry leaves. These leaves also add aroma to the food. Now you see the picture of the sambar, which is a very famous dish of southern India. Okay. And you must have seen your mother also. After preparation of any vegetables or dish, she used to garnish the food by sprinkling the coriander leaves. Why? To make, increase the taste as well as to give an attractive look to the dish. At the same time, what about the mint leaves? The mint leaves is very good in taste. So especially in the summer season, people prefer to eat that mint chutney. These leaves also add aroma to the food. What is the meaning of aroma? Aroma means it adds the smell to the food, means fragrance, increases the fragrance of the food. The next one is, we also eat the leaves of many plants as vegetables. You must have eaten vegetables made from spinach, what we called in Hindi palak, that mustard, sarso ka saag, fenugreek, methi patta and cabbage. It is known as band gobi. So these are the 4 pictures of some of the leaves which is eaten as vegetables. Clear to you? So next, the leaves have become a part of our daily life. In very many different ways, we often see pictures and drawings of leaves at many places. Now you can see there are 3 pictures. This is a curtain, sari and rangoli. Now you can see the curtain has some leaf design. Even the sari border, it is also having the design just very similar to the leaves. Then rangoli. Have you seen your elder brother and sister, or even in the schools, that your senior bhaiya didi, they are preparing rangoli with the help of the colors. Now you see the shape of the leaves are there. Even in the temple carvings also you will get many designs related to leaf. What is the meaning of carvings? Carving means that nakkashi. Hindi, what we called it? The designs made on the temple's wall or roof. So leaves have become a part of our daily life. In very many different ways, we often see pictures and drawings of leaves at many places. Curtain designs, sari borders, paintings, rangoli and temple carvings. Carvings means nakkashi, often have leaf designs on them. This makes them look beautiful and attractive. Clear to you? So this one, the designs of the leaves found on the curtain, sari border, rangoli and temple carvings. At 4 places we can get the leaf designs. Next topic is shading of the leaves. What is the meaning of shading of leaves? Shading of leaves means when the leaves fall down from the tree. Means the old leaves which are unable to perform any work. The leaves which become old and weak, they fall down from the tree and lying on the road and ground. It is known as shedding of leaves. In certain seasons of the year, we see very many leaves lying on the lawns and the roads. This shows that the leaves of plants are not permanent, means old leaves are fallen down, young leaves come at that place to perform the function. They remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function well. When they become old, the plants shed them off. New leaves then grow up to take the place of the old one. The old leaves keep on getting shed. Shed means falling. Okay, girna. And new leaves keep coming in their place. Now you can see in the picture how the dry leaves which are old, it is lying on the lawn. And you see the new leaves are coming on the trees. Okay, this is called shedding of the leaves. Now what is the importance of shedding of the leaves? The shedding of leaves help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected in its old leaves. Now what happens? Plants prepare its own food and does many function. So the waste product which is collected in the old leaves, when the old leaves fall down, it helps in throwing out the waste product of the plant. So which is very important. The shedding of leaf is very important to throw out the waste or unwanted material from the plant or tree. Okay. Now let's start the writing portion of this class. This is your lecture number 3 and the name of chapter is clear to you. It is your leaf. Clear? And what is the date? Date is 8/6/2020 you write. Okay, clear. So 6 uses we had read. Here the leaves have become a part of our daily life in very many different ways. We often see the pictures and drawings of leaves at many places. Now leaf design. Leaf design. It is found where? It is found on the curtain. What we called it in Hindi? At parda. Then number B, the sari border. You can check your mama's wardrobe. You will get many of the saris and the dress materials where you will get the designs of leaves on it. Then many of the paintings Usually the leaves are the common part of any painting. Number D, Rangoli. Rangoli art you have seen in the school also. Your senior Bhaiya Didi, they are making rangolis with the color. Then number E. Number E is the temple carvings. What is the meaning of temple carvings? Designs made on the wall and the roof of the temple. The designs made on the wall and the roof of the temple. In Hindi, what we called it? Nakashi. Okay, so here we can see the leaf designs. The next one is the shading of the leaves. What is the meaning of shading of leaves? Can you tell me? The shading of the leaves means, see what happens. The leaves are present on the trees. In certain seasons, we see many of the leaves lying on the roads. This shows that the leaves of the plants are not permanent. Means, if this is your tree and it is covered with many leaves, what happens? Sometimes many of the leaves, they lie on the road or on the lawn. Means lying on the lawn or the road. It is detached from the plant. It is separated from the main plants. They remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function. When these leaves are young and energetic, they are able to perform work. They remain on the tree. When the leaf become old, it falls down and remain on the road or in the lawn. This is called shedding of leaves. Patton ka girna. The new leaves, these are the new leaves or the young leaves. They remain on the trees. But the old leaves, which does not able to work properly, they fall down. And it is seen that after every one season, mostly in the autumn season, the leaves fall down from the main tree and the new leaves grow. This falling of old leaves on the road is known as shedding. What we called it? Shedding. Don't confuse it with shade. This is different word. The meaning of this shade is that shadow. Means chaya. Okay, not shadow. Shade means which gives the protection from the sunlight. This is shade. But SHED spelling is different. This shade means fall. Girna. Clear? So, in certain seasons of the year, we see very many leaves lying on the lawns and on the roads. This shows that the leaves of plants are not permanent. Means once they will come on the plant, they have to come down. Means once they will, when they are young, they remain on the plant. The moment they will become old and weak, they will fall down from the tree. They are not permanent. They remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function well. When they become old, the plants shed them off. New leaves then grow up to take their place. The old leaves keep on getting shed and new leaves keep coming in their place. You can see in the picture how the old leaves are lying on the ground and the new green leaves, they are coming at the place of the old leaves. This process is known as shedding of leaves. Now, what is the importance of shedding of leaves? The shedding of leaves also help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected in its old leaves. Means all the waste products are collecting into the old leaves, and hence when the old leaves fall down means the plant removes all the harmful substance from their plant body. Okay, so this is very important point. Mark it, IMP. This is very important. The shedding of leaves also help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected in its old leaves. Now this is the time for the homework. You have to write down the health benefit of curry leaves. Why should we eat curry leaves? The answer is given here. Curry leaves are good for eyesight and help to cure diarrhea. This is the answer number 1, the health benefit of the curry leaves. Then question number 2 is, where do we find leaf designs? The leaf designs are found on here. Second answer here. Curtain, sari border, paintings, rangoli and temple carvings. Okay. Answer I have already written. I will send you. You just write down in your copy. And the third question, what is the importance of shedding of leaves? Again the answer is here. The shedding of leaves help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected. The strike off also help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected in its old leaves. All the 3 answers here. First answer here, second answer here, and here is the third answer. Write these 3 questions in your science copy and post your work in the group. Bye bye.